In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix webcam issues on Google Meet. If you've ever been in a meeting, ready to make a presentation or just chat with friends, only to find your camera isn't working, you know how frustrating that can be. Let's dive into some straightforward steps that should help resolve these issues so your camera can get back in action and you can stay connected without a hitch. We'll start by looking at your browser settings. It's important first to ensure Google Meet has permission to access your camera. This sounds simple, but it's a common place where things go wrong. Open your browser and then head to the settings. You're looking for the privacy settings section. In there, find the camera option. This is where you can verify your camera's accessibility for Google Meet. Once you've found the camera option, ensure it's enabled for Google Meet. If it isn't, change the setting to allow it. You may also want to consider choosing the option that lets sites ask to use your camera. This adds an extra layer of confirmation, making sure only the apps or websites you allow can use your camera. Next, let's verify your camera selection within Google Meet itself. Join a Google Meet call, which can be either an existing meeting or a test with a friend. Look for the three-dot menu on the screen, it's usually on the bottom right. Click on it and select Settings. Under the Video tab, you'll see a drop-down menu where you can choose your camera. Make sure the correct camera, either an external or built-in one, is selected. If these steps don't solve the issue, try restarting your device. A simple reboot can sometimes resolve minor glitches by refreshing all system processes which might be affecting your camera functionality. Think of it as giving your computer a quick power nap. Finally, just as important as checking your settings, ensure your browser and operating system are up to date. Outdated versions may introduce compatibility issues that interfere with Google Meet. To check for updates, you typically find an option in your browser's menu or settings, and your operating system will usually have a software update feature within its control panel or settings app. So these are some simple yet effective steps to troubleshoot camera issues on Google Meet. Following these, your camera should be up and running in no time, ensuring you don't miss any more important calls or meetings. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you effectively fix any webcam troubles. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech tips and troubleshooting advice. Happy video conferencing.